AMEB's online exams in Theory of Music, Musicianship, and Music Craft can now be taken in your web browser without downloading any additional software. In order to take an online exam, you must first allow pop-ups from AMEB's online exams website. We strongly recommend confirming that pop-ups are correctly enabled and familiarizing yourself with the updated online examining system before attempting an official exam. This video will show you how to allow pop-ups using the browser Mozilla Firefox, which is often just called Firefox. If you are not sure which browser you are using, you can head to the website www.whatsmybrowser.org. You can also recognize Firefox by its distinctive logo, and if you are using a Mac computer, the name of the browser will be displayed in the top left-hand corner of your screen. The first time you attempt to open an exam, a prompt will be issued by your browser saying, "Firefox prevented this site from opening a pop-up window." This message will be displayed in a bright yellow bar across the top of your browser window. Click Preferences on the right-hand side of this message. Then select Allow Pop-ups for exams.ameb.edu.au. Your exam will now open. If for some reason this method has not worked, you can also adjust your browser's security settings by clicking on the lock icon. Firefox has a lock icon on the left-hand side of the URL bar, that is, the web address section. This icon controls security settings for specific websites. Navigate to the practice exam page, then click on the lock icon. A drop-down menu will be displayed. Next to Open pop-up windows, select Allow. You will now be able to launch AMEB online exams.